Just landed in the US and your AT&T SIM says no service? Don't panic. I'll show you how to activate it in under 2 minutes. Guys, if you just bought an AT&T prepaid SIM in America, whether at the airport, Walmart or any official store, activation is simple. But one small mistake can leave you stuck with no signal. So let's fix that right now. Guys, first and foremost, insert the SIM. Guys, first power off your phone. Insert your AT&T SIM card into your device. Turn your phone back on. If your phone is unlocked, you should see signal bars appear within a minute. If not, your phone may be carrier locked. Guys, step number 2, activate online. Guys, now open Wi-Fi if you don't have signal yet. Guys, go to the official activation page for AT&T Prepaid. Guys, here you will need the SIM card number, your phone's email number, a US zip code. Guys, and follow the on-screen steps and choose your prepaid plan. Guys, step number 3, make a payment. Guys, enter your payment details. Guys, if payment fails, visit an official AT&T store and pay there. Once payment is complete, activation usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. Guys, then restart your phone if needed. Guys, step number 4, turn off Wi-Fi and try these things. Try opening Google, sending a text, making a call. If everything works, you're fully activated. Guys, and that's it. Your AT&T SIM is now ready to use in America. If you're visiting the US, comment how long you're staying and I'll tell you the best SIM plan for your trip. Subscribe for more travel tips.